In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 11. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then change its size so it must be visible to everyone. So in today video we will discuss Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Accountants. We just increase its size and change its color. Then here is project description. We just increase size also, then change its colors. So in today's video we will discuss Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Accountants step by step. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 9, 15, we have just 18 questions, and last one is a not graded one, so we have just 18 questions in today's graded board. So we will solve this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. Okay. So in today's video we will discuss chapter 11 cumulative assessment accountants. So in the start we will discuss project description. You work for a tax accounting firm that has office in Albany, Columbus, Dallas, and Miami. Okay, so previously you download data from the employee database. Now you will use text database array and lookup function to obtain the result you want. So that was just simply project description that we have read. Okay. Remember that you have to read project description, and by that you will get idea that what we have in today's assignment and how we have to solve that one. So now we are moving toward graded report, steps to perform, then instructions. So in first one we have to start Excel, then download and open the file that we have downloaded from Pearson platform. So we have to open that one here, double click on there. It's just getting opening. Then simply click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done. After solving question number 1, now we are moving toward question number 2. So you will use a data worksheet through step 14. Okay, for first 14 step we have to work on a data worksheet here. So your first step to create a unique ID for each accountant using the year hired, date hired, and a number. So in cell D2 we have to enter this one. Use flash fill to complete the pattern. Create remaining IDs in the range D3 to D26. We just copy this one, then paste that in D2 here. Okay, then we have to select this one, then simply click editing, fill, flash fill. Yes, that is done. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 2 we have to move towards cell D2 and there we have to enter 2000. We have to enter this code that we and use flash fill to complete the pattern to create a remaining IDs in the range D3 to D26. We have solved that one and we have earned 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3. The accountant's full names are located in column E. You want to separate first and a last name. Okay, so first we have to select the range E20, E2 to E26, then convert the text to columns using space as a delimiter. So first we have to select E2 to E26, then simply press data, then text to column delimiter. Then what delimiter we have to use? We have to use a space, remove other, then simply press next, then finish. Then so question number 3 is done and we have earned 8 marks from there. So in question number 3 we have to select the range E2 to E26, then convert the text to column using space as delimiter. We have done and we get 8 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 4. Next you want to display accountant's name with last name and first name separated by a comma. Then in cell G2 insert text join function to join last name, first name for first accountant using comma and space as delimiter. Then name should display as Adams, comma Cambly. Then copy the range, this one. Okay, so now we have to move toward first G2 here, equal. Then what function we have to use? We have to use text join. Then in delimiter we have to use comma dot, sorry, comma space. Okay, then if it is true, then the name should display. Then we have to select comma, then use as a delimiter, then first name accountant using comma, the name should display Adams and Cambly. Okay, yes, done. So first name is there, so we have to use F2, then here's E2, then press enter and we get result. Yes, you may compare this one with this one. Yes, exactly. So question number 4 is done and we have earned 6 marks from there. So in question number 4, we have to move towards cell G2, insert a text join function to join the last name and first name of first accountants. Then use comma and space as delimiter. Then name should display as Adams Camley. We have done and we get the result. You may compare this one with this one. Then copy the function to G26. Double click, so that will be copied. So question number 4 is done and we have our 6 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 5. Column G contains the phone number. You want to extract the area's code. So in cell K2 use a mid function. We have to move toward cell K2. Then here we use a mid function to extract the area code of phone number first employees. So equal and then mid, we have to in what we have to in extract code for phone number. Okay, so we have to in that one. Then first employer, then start num argument should be position of first digit in area code. Area code including the opening parenthesis. Then make sure function extract first 3 digit. Okay, okay, so we just use this function there, mid J2 then 2 and 3, then simply press enter and we get the result. So question number 5 is done. Now we have to simply drag or double click on there, so that will automatically fill. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 5, we have to move towards cell K2, use mid function to extract the area code for phone number for first employers. The start num argument should be position of first digit in the area code to avoid including the opening parentheses. Then make sure function extract the 3-digit area code. Copy the function to the range K3 to K26. We have done, we have earned 6 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 6. The location columns display the city names in all capital letters. Because this is a hard to read, you will use a text function to display the cities in upper and lower case. So in cell M2, use proper function. We have to move toward cell M2. Here, use proper function. Then display first city name in upper and lower case. So we have to attack on city name. Okay, this one. Then simply press close parenthesis and press enter. Now you may see here my all spellings are in capital form. Now in there, when we use proper function, now first letter is in capital form, all other are in smaller form. Then copy the function to cell M3 to M26. Now simply double click on there, so that will be automatically copied. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 6, we just move towards cell M2 and there we use proper function to display the first city name in upper and lower cases. Then copy the function to the range M3 to M26. Now moving toward question number 7. You want to create a criteria range to perform an advanced filter. The criteria are 1 tax accountant in Mama and 2 in tax accountant in Columbus. So first we have to copy the range A1 to M1 and paste that range in A28 to M28. First we have to copy the range A1 to M1. Okay. Control C is copy, shortcut for copy, then paste that range in cell A28 here. Control V is shortcut for paste. Then enter tax accountant and MEMI in respective cells on row 28. Now we have to enter tax accountant, copy, and then paste that in here in title. Then the name of city, we have to paste the name of city in city. Okay. Then tax accountant. Okay, now we have to copy that tax accountant. Now we have to in that in row 30. Tax accountant go again in there. Okay. And then we have to write city Columbus in a respective cell in row 30. Okay. Now there is a use comma M for city name. Okay. So now question number 7 is done. In question number 7, we have to copy the range A1 to M1, then paste it in the range A28 to M28, then enter tax accountant and MEMI in respective cell in on row 29, then enter tax accountant and Columbus in a respective cell on row 30. Then use column M for city name. Yes, we have used that column. So we have earned 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. Sorry, question number 8. Now you are ready to perform advanced filter by applying the data below the criteria or range. So select a cell within a dataset, then select A1 to M1 as a list, then enter a criteria range you defined in previous step. Okay, then type this one for location to copy it. So in this way we will solve this part. Then in question number 9, you want to identify the highest salary for tax accountant in Mumbai and Columbus. So in a cell P2 insert dmax function and we will earn 5 marks from there. Okay, we just simply move towards cell B2 and there we have to use dmax function. Then in question number 10, we just move toward cell B3 and there we have to insert the main function to calculate the main values and we will earn 5 marks from there. So in today's assignment, we have just 18 questions. You may see out of 18 questions, we have done first 10 questions. You may see we have done first 10 questions. Mean almost 60% assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Accountants. Instead, we just discussed project description. After that, then we move toward graded report and we have solved question number 1. Then we move toward question number 2 and we have solved question number 2 where we have to move towards cell D2 and enter this one, then use flash fill to fill remaining range. Then move toward question number 3 where we have to select the range E2 to E26, then convert that text to column using space as delimiter. Then in question number 4 we have to move towards cell G2, there insert text join function to join last name first name for first accountant, then use comma and space as delimiter. Then name should display as Adams Camry. Okay, then move toward question number 5 where we have to use K2 and use a mid function. Then in question number 6 we have to move towards cell M2 and use proper function to calculate to find the first city name in upper and all other are in lowercase. Then in question number 7 we just copy the range E1 to M1 and paste it in the range A28 to M28. Then according to condition we just fill other parts. Then we move toward question number 8 where we have to select cell within dataset, then we have to use advanced filter to find the values. Then in question number 9 and 10, in question number 9 we just move towards cell P2 and there we use the max function. Then in question number 10 we just move towards cell P3 and we just insert the min function to find minimum value. So in this way we have solved almost 60% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may simply contact me, you may simply text me. I am available, I will respond instantly and I will solve your assignment. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable and result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics assignment, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply text me. You may simply contact me on my given WhatsApp, email ID, Instagram ID. I am available. I will respond and I will solve your assignment and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 Cumulative Assessment Accountants. We have done almost 60% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.